The legendary Akunwafor Obiligbo was born on August 10, 1904 in Nteje, present-day Oyi local government area of Anambra State. Considered the father of Igbo high life, he is one of the greatest exponents of Egwe, a master of the native Ubaka in Igbo. Akunwafor was his traditional Ozo chieftaincy title. He had started out as a farmer, but had a dream one night in 1934 when he was about 30 years old, which led to the beginning of his music career. His songs are strongly recommended for anyone interested in Igbo traditional music. Chief Obiligbo began performing as one of the many traditional musicians in Nteje, and mostly at funerals, weddings, and other traditional ceremonies before his popularity grew exponentially, driven by his powerful lyrics, which consists of deep Igbo proverbs and some drops of praise singing. He left a huge body of work, mostly on the gramophone record format. But many of his greatest works have been preserved, especially those recorded on pioneering Nigerphone record labels at Onitsha, owned by the famous businessman of the early 20th century, C.T. Onyekwelu. This was one of the most advanced, if not the only facility available in Igbo land at the time. This was a forebearer to the subsequent recording studios and companies like Rogers All Stars and Tabansi Records. Though he may not be a household name for the younger generation, but his importance to the older generation cannot be overemphasized. Former Nigerian head of state, Major General Yakubu Gowon, was a very huge fan of his. He once gave him a car gift of a 504 Pojo after watching him perform. Phenomenal. Chief Akunwafor Obiligbo is the grandfather of the present-day high-life music stars, Akunwafor and Obuozo, popularly known as Obiligbo. I know that makes you happy. Some of his hit tracks include the Wandieze, Eze Idigo, Egu Gowon, Ogwugwakwa, Njenja Makama, and others. May he continue to rest in power. For more information, follow us on all our social media platforms, like, subscribe, and share.